In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook ID name in just few seconds. So let's start it. Open your Facebook app, then click on three lines. Here you will see settings option. Then click on settings. After that, click on personal details. So now click on profile. After that, again click on your name. Then here you have to click on name. Don't select username. So let me decide it. I want to put name. So enter your first name. Now click on last name. So now click on review change. Now select any one option. I am selecting gadget house. I don't want to put house gadgets, so choice is yours. Then click on save change. So here in few minutes your Facebook ID name has changed. Now here you can see. So that's it. Hope so you like the video.